In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Windows 10 Auto Update permanently. Before we begin, a quick note. Windows updates often include important security patches, so completely disabling them is usually not recommended. Only follow this process if you fully understand the risks, and consider turning updates back on from time to time to keep your system secure. Let's get started on your Windows 10 desktop. First, we need to open the Services window, which is where Windows manages many of its background processes, including updates. Move your mouse to the Start button and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click on Run. In the small Run window that opens, type Services MSC, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Services Management console. In the Services window, you'll see a long list of services arranged in alphabetical order. Scroll down until you find the service called Windows Update. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct entry, since there are many items with similar names. Once you've found Windows Update, right-click on it and choose Properties. A new window will appear. In this Properties window, look for a field labeled Startup Type. By default, this is usually set to Manual or Automatic. Click the drop-down menu next to Startup Type and change it to Disabled. This tells Windows not to start the update service automatically. Now, just below that, you'll see a section labeled Service Status. If it says that the service is currently running, click the Stop button. This will immediately stop any active update process. Wait a moment until the status changes and the button is no longer clickable. After you've set the Startup Type to Disabled and stop the service, click Apply, and then click OK to close the Properties window. This combination of disabling the Startup Type and stopping the service is what effectively turns off Windows 10 automatic updates. To make sure everything is set correctly, you can double-check by finding Windows Update again in the list and confirming that the Startup Type column now shows Disabled. From this point on, Windows should no longer automatically download or install updates in the background. If at any time you decide you want updates again, just repeat these steps. Set the Startup Type back to Manual or Automatic. Click Apply, then OK, and start the service again. That's it. You've successfully turned off Windows 10 Auto Update permanently using the Services console.